How you doing, guys? We have a special treat for you. We're gonna go into the setup of a sound system in the new 2026 Ioniq 9. So let's get started. All right, so to go to your sound settings, you swipe left on your screen, go to setup, go to sound, and in here you're gonna have your various menus for your sound. So speed dependent volume control. So basically this one allows you to raise the volume of the music depending on how fast you're going. So largest change means that you are driving fast and the vehicle is compensating for the road noise so that you can concentrate on your tunes. Startup maximum volume limit lets you toggle on and off if you want the music to be really loud or really low as soon as you come into the vehicle and start it up. Position, pretty self-explanatory. You have these 4 quadrants here that lets you adjust where you want the most of the music to be on the car, either left quadrant, left rear quadrant, or maybe in the middle. Tone lets you adjust your treble, your mid-range, and your bass. So guidance, this is where you can adjust your navigation volume and your alerts. So you have navigation guidance during calls, toggle on and off, navigation volume priority, and various other mute and welcoming sounds. And also you have your guidance volumes and navigation alerts. It lets you adjust the beeps, alerts, navigation alerts, voice prompts, and ringtone. Then we go back to navigation alerts. This one adjusts the volume on the side view mirrors whenever you have a car on your blind spot. Radio noise lets you filter out how much white noise you want on your radio. Driver assistance, warning volume, haptic warning, forward attention warning sound, lane safety warning sound, blind spot safety warning sound, driving safety priority, parking safety priority. All these you can adjust if you want them on or off. Connected devices. These have their own adjustments such as Android Auto. You have your media and your voice prompts, along with Apple CarPlay with media, phone, ringtone, navigation guidance, and voice prompts. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments, and see you soon.